Hey, it's Mark Harvey here, and in this video, I'm going to go through the steps for the fastest way to get you started investing in property. Number one, you've got to know why. Why is it that you're doing it in the first place? What's your outcome? What result are you wanting to achieve overall? That's number one. Number two, what goals is it that you actually want to hit? What is it that you want to What is it you want to do? Is it a holiday you want? Is it a new house? Is it a new car? Is it to be able to travel? Is it to have free time? What is the goals? You've got to know what goals. You've got to be goal and outcome orientated. Number three, then based on what it is that you want to do and what goals you want to hit, what strategies are going to fit you best based on the time you have available, and also what's going to give you the maximum impact to go hit these goals. Number four, now you've got your strategy. Now you're going to know what areas are these strategies already working in and will work best in, so you can go out there and make it happen. Number five, now you've got to go and actually find the deals, because now you've got the area and you know what strategy you're looking for. Now you need a formula to go and find the deals. Number six, now you're going to need to work the numbers. So again, you're going to need formulas. It's all about formulas, and that's what we do here at Real Life. There's many videos on here. Also, we do amazing programs that you can come and learn the exact step-by-step process to do that. But you've got to work the numbers out. Number seven, now you've got the numbers. Now you need to analyze it. How is it going to work best? What is the best exit strategies for you before you even get into the deal? Here's the beauty with property investing. Property investment is one of the very few, only one I know. If there is another one, please let me know, where you can actually work out all the steps, what the exits are, how you're going to get in, how you're going to get out the deal before you even get into the investment yourself. Number eight, now all this is in play, now you need to be making the offers. Again, there is a formula step by step to go through where you can put in offers, so you're not running around, driving all around the country trying to figure out, is someone going to accept my offer on this property or that property? There is a formula and a method to go through so you know exactly which properties are most likely to be able to get accepted so you can move forward. So you don't waste your time, you're not wasting any vendor's time or any agent's time. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, go check out all the other videos, because there is so much information on here to get you started in investing in property to achieve whatever goals that it is that you want.